Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe. We talk about Igbo spirituality, Igbo cosmology. We want to basically promote and improve the Igbo consciousness. Now, the Obi being the only significant structure that houses the essence of the ancestors. Don't forget, it's something we emulated from Owambo. So it was being passed down by the first ancestors, Ndimbo, the second ancestors, Ndiegede. The hierarchy of existence. Because when we look at Ndimbo and Ndiegede, these were ancestors, and each of them came with different times. Now, I'm going to treat it in another video. The Igbo ages. We're going to understand where these ancestors came about and what they achieved during their own particular time and existence. So Obi there is what we also refer to as Obindiche. Now, what makes it Obindiche? In our cosmology, we don't have this perception of heaven or hell. So we believe that when a person